day mga kabayan techers! This is your the Kabayan Tech. We're going to do a replacement for the iPhone 11 battery. So right now we have an iPhone 11 here that is 83%. Let's turn it off. So I went ahead with removing the security screws and also the screws inside. So let's take out the BMS board here. So I'm going to grab my isopropyl alcohol 99%. So just be careful if you're using a metal base tweezer. Then when it actually hold it, you could actually peel it off like this.
There are two flaps at the side. You could use a ceramic tweezer or a tweezer, just be careful. Take out the plastic protection and then unroll the rest of the mylar tape.
So there are two leads that you will see. As much as possible, you use a ceramic cutter. So let's trim this down one again. Next one is I'm going to fold this one and then it will create an angle. So if you don't see it, it will create an angle.
The purpose of folding it is to create a clearance where the BMS will pass through.
I put a Kapton tape here. It's a double-sided Kapton tape.
The use of the double-sided high temperature Kapton tape is optional. So we cut the two leads, we put the BMS board on top, and then I fold. I turn on my spot welder to 2 and do spot welding on both leads. And then I flap the double-sided Kapton tape and put the protective plastic, and then put the mylar with the two longer halves and put the two flaps at the side and unfold the last part. After the spot weld, we take out the pre-programmed tag-on flex. We put the tag-on flex on the BMS, put it on the phone just to test it out, bring back the display, and then we're going to turn it on using the charging cable for the first time. Wait for it to show the important battery message. Once that one shows, let's turn off the phone and take out the charging cable. Then let's turn on the phone again using its own power. Let's go to settings and wait for the important battery message to disappear. Once it disappears, we go to the battery health. Battery health will show 100%. And that's it mga kabayan techers. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments or requests, just write them down below. Thank you very much and have a good day.